Hey, it's the Killer Rich 51 back again with another video. Today we're doing another case review. So this is the Rokform crystal for the iPhone XR. You can pick it up on Amazon. Links are in the description. The price $39.99, so you're looking at 40 bucks. So let's go over the features right on the box. So you get slim design, military grade, and it says integrated magnets. So let's go ahead and take a look. So let's just throw this box to the side. So here's the case itself here. Okay, so let's just get rid of this as well. So yeah, so here's the case itself. So I have Rokforms in the past. So I have one on my 5S as well as my 6S. So let me go ahead and show you. As you can see here, so as you see, this one has a twist lock as well as the iPhone XR one, as you see. And so yeah, so that's how you know I'm in love with Rokform. So as you see, then you get your cutouts, your buttons, your cutouts, your buttons, your cutouts. So let's go ahead and slap it onto the iPhone XR here. Okay, so this is what it looks like with the phone in it here. So looks pretty cool. And then right here you can use it for bike mounts, car mounts, boats, motorcycles, belt clips. So I have a belt clip from my previous case, which was the 6S one, of course, so as you see. So then I can twist it onto here, and I can clip this to my belt or whatever. So it's pretty cool, as you see. So let's check the buttons here. So the buttons work. So no wireless charging through this case because of this magnet right here. So yeah, so no wireless charging. And so yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, give this video a big thumbs up. Helps me out on this channel. Make sure to follow me on all my social medias. Links are in the description. And if you want to see more videos like this, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Also turn on that bell notifications. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Later. Peace.